Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I came on here to show you what I finished. This yarn is called Red Heart Ombre yarn. I used this is the only one I have left. I will put a picture across here of what I used. So I used almost 4 of these. This blanket is pretty much like an Afghan blanket. This is called the Drunken Granny Square stitch. And I got this stitch from Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Let me pan out real quick. See if you can see. And I did not measure it, but I love how the color turned out. I think they're 492 yards, I believe. And then I did like I said, I did the Drunken Granny Square stitch. And this is just single crochet all the way around. Let's see if I can, there we go. I love the color effects on this blanket. It is absolutely beautiful. And here's the stitches. Don't make too many blankets, but I'm going to start. Look at the colorway on this thing. It is amazing. Single crochets all the way around. Single crochet. And then on the corner, made it a little bit bigger. Two single crochets, I think. Chain 1, 2 single crochets. And then all the way around the edging. So, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got it done. I showed the yarn, I think, in another video. It was probably a Tea Tuesday video. But I honestly don't know what I was thinking. I had bought 2, and I was thinking that would have been enough, but obviously I had gotten a total of 4 and almost used 4. I could have kept going, but I was concerned about the edging. I could have made it bigger, but I did not. So I love the way this turned out. It is so long and so pretty, and the stitches, it is soft. It is so soft. I'm just gonna keep pulling it here. And it's got the different blues on here. And what it is 4 double crochets, chain 1, and a double crochet in the same stitch. And you just keep doing that. The repeat is the same repeat all the way around. I'm going to link her video on this in my description box. Krista is she's one of my favorite channels to watch. I've been watching her basically since she started YouTube. And she's very outgoing, very fun. I enjoy. She's doing a crochet along called the Bloom Cowl, I believe, and I'm working on that as well. I'm just waiting for the next pattern to come out. but the colors on this are so, so pretty. And I made this for somebody. Just can't say the name. Anyway, it is very pretty. I really like it. I want to do maybe a pink one or something, or peach, because Red Heart has like an aqua. They have this color, they have the brownish color, they have pink, and they have like a peach color. And I can't remember what else they have, like a greenish mint color. Yeah. And I'm going to take the rest of this yarn there, and I'm going to, oh, my bed's messed up now. Make a basket or something. I'm not sure yet. Scrap basket. Yeah, so this is my blanket I made, guys. I'm so happy the way this turned out. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of my blanket. Like I said, I will link her video down below so you can check it out. You'll see that's up close. There we go. Like, I'll link it down below and let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching my videos, taking the time out of your day to leave comments. I greatly appreciate you. And yeah, let me know. I'm going to get off here. I hope you all are doing well, staying safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.